Instagram app not updating to latest version. Open your Play Store and from here let's search for Instagram. If you see update button and tap on update but it is still not updating to latest version, then what we can do is you need to go to Instagram application, and once you're on the Instagram, make sure to sign into your account. Go to profile at the bottom right corner and you have to scroll all the way down and tap on log out all accounts, and once you log out you have to go to Play Store again and try updating your Instagram. If that's not working, then you have to log in again back to your Instagram account, and once you have logged in back by logging out of all accounts, you can easily update your Instagram. If that is yet not working, go to settings of your mobile device, or if you don't want to go to settings, you can easily tap and hold Instagram application and go to app info piece by tapping on icon. Once you're on the app info piece, go to storage uses and clear all the cache and data of Instagram. Once you have done that, go to permissions and you have to make sure to allow all the application permission. You simply have to tap on every application here and tap on allow button one by one. Once you are done with doing that, you can try updating your Instagram application. This two-step might fix your problem, but if it is not yet fixing the issue, you have to report a problem or report to Instagram. For that, you can tap on help on settings and tap on report a problem. Here you can go back and seek, or otherwise you can tap on report problem without seeking, and from here you can tap on include and continue or tap on don't include and continue, and here you can easily briefly explain what happened or what's not working and tap on seen and report problem on Instagram. Then Instagram team will help you to fix your issue. Last but not the least, you can tap and hold the Instagram application and tap on the uninstall button and tap on uninstall and reinstall it again. This will definitely fix Instagram app not updating to latest version. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.